Make $10,000 a month with AI. No skills needed. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about making serious cash, like potentially $10,000 a month, no joke, using the power of AI. Forget everything you thought you knew about needing special skills or tons of experience. We're talking about side hustles you can start today, right from your laptop that can bring in some serious dough. Let's do this. Number 1. AI copywriting. Words that make you rich. First up, we're diving into the world of AI copywriting. Businesses, websites, YouTubers like me, we all need killer content, right? That's where copywriting comes in. It's the art of writing words that sell. AI copywriting tools are like having a team of professional writers at your fingertips, 24/7. You literally feed the AI some basic info, like what you want to write about, and bam! It spits out high-quality, engaging content in seconds. And the best part? You can offer these AI copywriting services to businesses or individuals and charge a premium for your skills. It's like having a money printing machine on your laptop. There are tons of AI copywriting tools out there, but some of the ones I've heard good things about are Jasper, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic. Do your research, find the one that works best for you, and start cranking out those money-making words. You can use AI to write website copy for local businesses, create email marketing campaigns, or even write scripts for YouTube videos. Now, let's move on to the next AI side hustle that's about to blow your mind. Number 2. AI YouTube automation. Get famous without showing your face. Alright guys, for this next side hustle, we're diving into the world of YouTube automation. Think about it. YouTube is like the world's second largest search engine, right? People are constantly searching for information, entertainment, tutorials, you name it. And here's the secret sauce. You can use AI to create high-quality YouTube videos without ever having to step in front of a camera. I'm talking about AI-powered video editing software that can take your written content, images, even your voice recordings, and turn them into engaging, professional-looking videos. You can create explainer videos, educational content, top 10 lists, product reviews. The possibilities are limitless. You can literally outsource the entire process to AI and still build a massive YouTube following and generate passive income from ads, sponsorships, and even affiliate marketing. Pictory is one that I've been hearing a lot of buzz about. It can automatically transcribe your videos, add captions, even create those cool-looking AI avatars that are all the rage right now. So, if you're ready to become the next YouTube sensation from the comfort of your own home, give AI YouTube automation a try. Number 3. Become a customer service guru without the work. Okay guys, let's talk about a side hustle that's in super high demand right now. AI-powered chatbots. You know those little chat boxes that pop up on websites offering to answer your questions? Those are chatbots. And they're everywhere these days. And for good reason. Businesses are realizing that they need to be available for their customers 24/7, and hiring a whole team of customer service reps can get super expensive. You can use AI to create super smart chatbots that can handle all sorts of customer inquiries, from answering basic questions to processing orders and even booking appointments. The best part? Once you've set up the chatbot, it's like having a virtual assistant working for you around the clock, bringing in those sweet, sweet profits while you sleep. You can charge businesses a monthly fee to use your chatbot services, and as your client list grows, so does your income. There are tons of platforms out there that let you build chatbots without any coding experience whatsoever. One that I've heard good things about is ChatFuel. So, if you're looking for a lucrative and scalable side hustle that's only going to become more in demand in the future, definitely check out AI-powered chatbots. Number 4. AI art and graphics. Turn your creativity into cash. Alright, for all you creative folks out there, this next AI side hustle is right up your alley. We're talking about AI-generated art and graphics. And let me tell you, this is a market that's absolutely exploding right now. Think about it. People are always looking for unique and eye-catching designs, whether it's for their websites, social media, print-on-demand products, or even NFTs. And guess what? AI can help you create stunning original artwork in minutes, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. And the best part? You can sell your AI-generated art online and make some serious bank. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Creative Market are perfect for selling digital downloads or print-on-demand products featuring your designs. And if you're feeling extra ambitious, you can even dive into the world of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and sell your AI-generated art as unique, one-of-a-kind digital assets. There are tons of awesome AI art generators out there, but one that I've been hearing a lot of buzz about is Midjourney. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner artist and turn your creativity into a profitable side hustle, definitely give AI-generated art and graphics a try. Number 5. AI resume writing. Land your dream job with a robot's help. Alright guys, this last AI side hustle is for anyone who's ever struggled with writing a resume. Let's face it, crafting the perfect resume can be a total pain. You're trying to cram all your skills and experience onto a single page, make it sound impressive but not braggy, and format it in a way that doesn't make hiring managers' eyes glaze over. But here's the good news. AI is here to save the day. That's right, there are now AI-powered resume builders that can help you create a professional, attention-grabbing resume in minutes, even if you have zero writing skills. These AI tools can analyze your work history, identify relevant keywords, and suggest improvements to your existing resume. They can even help you tailor your resume to specific job descriptions, increasing your chances of getting noticed by recruiters. Think about it. For a small fee, you can have an AI craft a resume that highlights your strengths, minimizes your weaknesses, and makes you stand out from the competition. Some popular AI resume builders include Resume.io and Zeti. So, if you're ready to ditch the resume writing stress and start landing your dream job, give AI-powered resume writing a try. Boom! There you have it, guys. 5 mind-blowing AI side hustles that have the potential to make you $10,000 a month, or even more. And the best part is, you don't need any special skills, experience, or even a fancy degree to get started. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn and hustle. So, which one of these AI side hustles are you most fired up about? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.